Formax presents the next generation FD38XI touchscreen fully automatic document folder. For the past 20 years, Formax has been providing quality, innovative folders, built to last and made in the USA. The new FD38XI is no exception. It's the ultimate user-friendly folder, combining speed, accuracy, quality, and durability with fully automatic settings and a modern touchscreen interface. The automated fold settings and automatic stacker wheels allow for quick and easy setup between fold types and paper sizes. Operation is simple. Load paper into the feeder, select your fold type, and press Start. At a speed of up to 17,000 folds per hour, sheets are folded and ready in minutes. The large 3.5-inch color touchscreen uses internationally recognized symbols to easily navigate through setup and operation. The FD38XI can fold sheets up to 12 inches by 18 inches and is programmed to automatically set 6 common fold types in 11-inch, 14-inch, and 17-inch lengths. In addition, up to 36 custom folds can be programmed into memory for recurring unique applications. Fully loaded, the FD38XI infeed holds up to 500 sheets at a time. The drop-in 3-roller friction feed system allows for consistent, reliable feeding, making quick work of any folding job. The FD38XI also features the Formax patented telescoping outfeed conveyor stacker that can hold up to 500 folded sheets when fully extended. This allows for a complete stack of documents to run through the folder before unloading. A resettable 6-digit counter keeps an accurate tally of the number of sheets folded. Simply press the reset icon to set the counter back to 0. In addition to the standard counter, the FD38XI features auto batch mode for processing sets of documents with a delay between each set for easy handling and grouping. The patented multi-sheet feeder is a standard feature designed to fold multiple page documents. It can fold up to 4 stapled or unstapled sheets up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches in a single pass. The feeder has an independent skew adjustment for fine-tuning folds. The FD38XI also includes a cross-fold guide for feeding folded documents a second time for additional folding. Proudly made in the USA, the FD38XI touchscreen fully automatic document folder is an ideal solution for any business, print shop, or school that requires multiple fold capabilities combined with ease of operation, versatility, and reliability.